What is up? It is Jordan from Buy 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And today I'm going to give you some more examples of ways that you can get a lot of views on YouTube. I'm going to show you a couple people who did a really good job of pretty much taking their channel that was getting nothing and got it to go freaking viral over the weekend. So I want to show you that, show you some examples to kind of show you what I mean. I try to teach this stuff to you guys all the time, but some of you guys are not getting it, okay? Some of you guys continue to post, old crappy videos that no one cares about from 5 years ago. You're not thinking, okay? So some of the people that, complain the course doesn't work or whatever, there's a lot of people that say it does work, and there's a lot of people who continue to make a lot of money doing this, and those are the people that can figure out how to get views, okay? But there's a lot of you guys that literally, you think you're doing what I'm telling you, but you're not, okay? So a lot of the students, they're not figuring it out, okay? I'm trying to say, get things that are gonna go viral. Don't just pick random things that are already on YouTube a million times and everyone's seen it and everyone already knows what it is. Like, don't post a freaking 9/11 video. Everybody already, there's a million 9/11 videos on YouTube. You're not gonna get a 9/11 video to go viral. Why? Because that was like 20 years ago and there's already like 50,000 videos on it. You got to find new stuff. Like, it doesn't have to be, and you can find old videos but then kind of title them as something that's new, okay? And if you do that, that's still going to work. You need titles, tags, and thumbnails that are new, relevant to today, things that people care about right now, okay? And a lot of you guys are not getting that, okay? And so the course is still on sale right now for $115. Normally it's $145, but right now the Make Money on YouTube is $115. The Advanced Masterclass is usually $165. It's down at $125. I'm going to leave that for one more day, guys. So this is your last day to get it at that price before it goes back to $165 and $145. So in that course, you're going to learn. I added a new module in both of those courses about how you literally can get your channel, whether it's a brand new channel or whether it's a channel that you are currently working on. You can take that exact channel, apply what I teach in that lecture, and get to the review literally by tomorrow. I have 6 or 7 students already since I put that lecture up that said, hey, thanks, I am in review right now. And for sure, they're going to pass it without any doubt, okay? So that's how huge this is. You can take your channel right now and by tomorrow, have it in the review, okay? And I teach that, and it's amazing, okay? And it's really, really simple to do. It's very, very cheap to do, and it's very, it's going to take you like half an hour to do, and you're going to have your channel in review by tomorrow. Then you just have to wait for them to accept it, and then you're going to start making money, dude, especially if you do what I'm about to show you right here. So really, really huge. Last day on that sale, so if you want to get that lecture and everything else, right now it's on sale for the last day, $115 and $125. I think. Okay, guys, so here's what I want to show you. So, like I said, a lot of you guys are not getting it. You're posting things like 9/11, which happened so long ago, and there's so many videos on it. No one cares about that anymore, okay? But I posted something like Alex Jones, and it went viral because Alex Jones is currently viral, okay? So I'm going to show you another example of someone who's doing a really, really good job of this, guys. Like I said, some of you guys aren't getting it. Some of you guys are going and being like, oh, the course doesn't work because my channel is not viral because I'm posting really crappy videos with really crappy thumbnails and really crappy titles. And that's why it's not working, guys. So for a lot of you guys, it is working, and that's a lot of you guys that are, grasping what I'm trying to teach Some of you guys just don't get it, okay? I only want people in the course that are literally, hard workers, motivated, perseverant, and are going to be consistent and are smart enough to figure out how to make something go viral, because some of you guys just are not smart enough, okay, apparently. It's really, really easy to do, okay, but you do have to think a little bit, about what's going to go viral and what's not, and how can I take this video and title it correctly and put an interesting picture on it that makes people want to click it. Some of you guys just don't grasp those concepts, and I don't want people like that in the course. I only want people who can grasp those concepts and who think they are smart enough to figure out how to make people click. It's really not rocket science, but there's a little psychology to it, guys. I have a psychology master's, so I guess it comes freaking natural to me. I don't know. So let me show you some examples here of some people who are getting it done for sure. And so here's my idea here, guys. Here's what I did. I typed in Tiger Woods here because, as you guys know, over the weekend, Tiger Woods won his first tournament in 5 years, which is really freaking cool. I'm about to go golf. I have my red polo on because I'm about to go golf with my red polo like Tiger Woods. But anyways, so I typed in Tiger Woods here, and I found this, okay? SMU fan video, 19,000 views. It's literally ranked on the top right now. So you go and look at it. And look at this. This guy only has 404 subs. Look at his videos before this. No views, 7 views, 11 views, 1 view, 23 views. You see what I'm saying here? Look at this. 33 views, 31, 14, 5, 16, 2, 1, 5, 125, 2. But he was smart enough to put back-to-back videos about Tiger Woods. And what happened? They blew up. Do you understand how this works, guys? It's that simple to do. Some of you guys just don't get it. And some of you guys don't have enough motivation to keep freaking posting. Look, this guy posted a bunch of freaking videos about SMU that no one gave a crap about, right? So that's maybe some of you students in the first week. Nothing. Smart enough to post something that can go viral. Boom, viral. Boom, viral. It's that simple, okay? You have to be motivated. You have to be constantly looking for things that will continue to go viral. You can't just keep posting the same crap over and over and over. If no one's watching it, no one's watching it. So switch it up. Switch your niche, okay? Because think about it. No one's watching your videos anyway. So what's wrong with switching your niche? No one's going to care because no one's watching your videos. So keep switching your niche. Keep trying different videos. Keep trying different titles, tags, thumbnails. You guys can make hundreds of thousands of dollars doing this if you are smart enough to actually put into practice what I'm actually teaching. Don't just be like this guy and keep posting SMU when no one's watching it. No one's going to watch it. He was smart enough to go, boom, Tiger Woods. And he was smart enough to do 2 of them. It's probably the same freaking video or something very close to it. It's just him hitting the final putt and then doing an interview. But look, he did it twice in a row, and they both went viral. He's on the front page for both of those, dude. Look, front page, and then front page. And when did he do it? He did it, like, right when Tiger won. If you do stuff like that, the minute Tiger wins, you find that video and you repost it. And you're going to go viral, okay? I've done this before. When Rothschild, he had a plane crash at his, like, mansion thing. I was the first one to see that. I found some crap video someone else made. I reposted it. Boom. I put a freaking X over Rothschild's face on the thumbnail. And put plane crash at Rothschild mansion. And guess what? Everyone thought he died, and they all clicked my video. It had 100,000 views and literally, like, 2 hours, okay, and it made me a frick ton of money because that's one of the monetized channels I have. That's what you need to do. You need to find viral things people are talking about. Find some video, it doesn't even have to be a good one, and just title it in a way that people that are searching for it are going to find it. And that's all it takes, and that's what I want you guys to do. Some of you guys continue to post the same crap over and over that's not getting views. If it's already on YouTube a million times, and it's really old stuff that no one cares about, you're probably not going to get views on it. Things like Tiger Woods, you're going to get a frick ton of views. That guy did a really good job of that. There's a lot of other people here. So, River Monsters and Demon Dragons. He's ranking. He's got 40,000 views on this video. Does this guy have ads, by the way? He might not because he doesn't have enough views yet. This guy, though, does have ads. He has 3,395 subs. Barely anyone's watching videos. 374, 390, 160, 567. And it's a fishing channel. Most of them get 100, 200, 300 views. And it's about fishing. Well, guess what? He posts one Tiger Woods video and he ranks front page, 39,000 views. And guess what else? It has ads on it. So guess what? He just made a bunch of money on this video, and it's probably going to continue to go viral because Tiger Woods is continuing to be searched for, and he's already on the front page for this, so he's probably going to get up to 100, 200,000 subs or views, and make some good money on this one freaking video that he was smart enough to post. And all it is him winning, and he posted it at the right time. That's all it is, guys, and so that's what I want you guys to learn. There's so many of you guys who just continue to post the same crap. that no one cares about, or that's on YouTube a million freaking times. That's why no one's finding it. But if you're the first one to post Tiger Woods winning while he's winning, and people are gonna search Tiger Woods, and this is proof for you guys right here that even if your videos suck, even if you're getting no views at all, you can make one video go viral if you figure out how to do it, okay? And it only takes one video to get your channel growing big time, okay? And that's what a lot of you guys aren't understanding. Some of you guys are just not getting it. And, it's frustrating to me because, I'll go look at your channel. You posted 5 videos and they all were stupid, and they were, and the titles and the thumbnails sucked. And, it was a topic that no one's going to freaking care about. And then you yell at me and say the course doesn't work. I hate that. It's so annoying. Here's some proof right here of, some fish guy that no one gave a crap about making a video go viral. It's that freaking simple. You have to figure it out, okay? So, spend some time. See, a lot of guys are lazy, and you just sit there and, post the same crap over and over. And you think that, eventually it's going to work. No, you got to freaking put some mind into it, okay? You can't tell me that people aren't successful finding videos, reposting them that they didn't make, and, getting views on them. Look around freaking YouTube. They're all over. I found 2 in 2 seconds, okay? 2 people who ranked for one of the hottest topics of the weekend, which was Tiger Woods, in the world. That was one of the hottest topics in the freaking world this weekend. And, 2 guys with channels no one gave a crap about made videos on the front page go viral, okay? That's what you do, okay? That's how you do this, and that's what I try to teach you guys. And so hopefully this helps you guys out, opens your eyes to some of the possibilities. Don't go make a Tiger Woods video now. It's too late. You see what I'm saying? It's too late. There's too many of them now.